15 the team captain. A minute and 38 seconds to go. Doroteo up to win the pabor na ayaw pumasok sa semifinals. Out of three. Guys, ditong nasa team ng Kasikaan. Ay na minute and 46 seconds to go. Inside jumper. Lakara. Close to shoot. Last 48. Aaron Carpio, bang, 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 3 points. Last 2 minutes. Alright, once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our last in the power game, the most awaiting game, a match between Chandler and Kasikan. And this is the quarterfinal. Do or die basketball action. Presenting first, 3-man officiating or 4-man officiating officials. And referee for tonight, we have Sir Bilal. Umpire number 1, RV Amar, and umpire number 2, we have Sir Delphine. That one in fourth man, Sir Jimboy Carlos. And now, time to name the starters. First, with your team, Kasikan. He's starting with wearing jersey number 1, Martinez. Number 7, Pabugnaw. Mahusay wearing jersey number 35. Bakati, jersey number 26, and to complete their first five, jersey number 15, Justin Adjan, the team captain. Team coach, Honorable Kagawa Daniel Adjan. And here's the starting lineup of your team shoulder. He's starting with number 99, Cardinal. Canaricio, jersey number 4. Victorino, jersey number 2. Santander, number 1, and team captain, number 29, Lakara. Team coach, let's get her on! Pagpaka na! Simulan na po natin mga kaibigan ang ating last in the final game for tonight. Good for 2 points from the paint. Team Chandler basketball. Yan batang kalikasan din for team ng Kasikan. Shot lock down to 5. Number 25. For 3. Mahusay. 3-1 point lead by Kasikan. Now, laban sa team ni Tomataga Chandler. And for team ng Chandler, Canaricio. Babatin, good for 2 points by Canaricio. Pass, going for Justin Adjan. Justin Adjan, susubo ng bola. Good for 2 points by Justin Adjan. At may kasama pang foul. Batang numero 4 ang Canaricio. 3 minutes and 37. Perimeter shot. Pabugnaw. Tutulong na para po sa 3 seconds to shoot. We have only 5 seconds on the shot clock. The 3 points play. Come up strong. May pag-recover ng Canaricio. Butasyon ng 2 points. At may pabonus pang foul. 2 minuto bababa yung natitira ng oras. And Pabugnaw going to Bakati. 2 points by Bakati. Babote the point guard for Tina Chandler. Pero hindi kumonekta. Pabugnaw na naman. Off the window. Basketball. 45 seconds to go for this quarter number 1. Prehinal going for Martinez. Bang! By Martinez. 1 minute and 25. Back to the ball game. Opening quarter. 15 against 7. Jumper for 2 points. Good for 2 points. Ito sa kasalukuyang kalamangan, itong team ng Kasikan. Doroteo, may extra pass, bilis ng ikot ng bola. Good for 2 points, Santander. Okay, magandang gabi sa ating mga kaibigan po dyan mula sa Lukbuan. Okay, Prehinal, ang bukod tanging ganyan yung free throw. First free throw, good for 1 by Prehinal. Mas nagagawin itong nakaraan, pero na-traffic yun. 18 seconds remaining. Prehinal, bang! Ang tiradang mala iba sa ating barangay Bakungan, maglalaro isa sa mga top rider po ito ha. Isa sa by Justin and January jersey number 15. Good for 2 points. And the 2 points. Last in the final free throw. Good for 1. Scored. Sabi niya, Canaricio, ikaw nang bahala kung anong plano para sa tropa natin Chandler. Canaricio drive. Basketball ka. Itiradang wala na, pero meron pa na. Hindi naman na ng 2 puntos mga kaibigan for that alahoy na tirada. Babawi. Lakaran! Bang! 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 3 points! Kasikan dito. Kay jumper for Kasikan. Reload. Tirada namang persado. Good for 2 points! Tirada Kasikan. Tatapon ng 3 points. New good by Lakaran. And a jumper from the perimeter. Good for 2 points by Canaricio. 3 minutes and 21 seconds to go. Binigay sa bandang kaliwa, umikot pa. By short, bandang 3 points, sinalaksak pa. And now we have Venturillo, the spinner, threads away. Galing naman on. Kahit may hasad ang corner. This time, jumper, niyayuma. Hindi pa tatabla. Santander, we are now all at para sa ating natitira shot clock. Huli na matagasang yung bola. Narisyo isang masikap play. Lamang na po ang Chandler ng 7 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Martinez, bang! Two-pointer! Natitira for the second quarter. First free throw, good for one by Pabugnaw. Ang point yung abate ng Chandler na lamang laban sa team ng Kasikan. Last na para free throw by Pabugnaw. Good for 2 points. 9 points. 2, 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Dinali for good for 2 points. Lakara! 31 point lead. Prihinal, jumper for 3. Lugod by Prihinal. Nandun si Justin nandyan. Sa pagbabalik ng andyan. Bang! Isang gigil. Top pocket, lugod by Lakaran. 14 ng Chandler. In the other side. Number 7. The one of the top rider ng ating laluwigan ng Palawan. Itong Justin nandyan on the floor. Good for 2 points by number 2 of Team Chandler. On the shot clock. Prihinal. Iradang nalayuan. Prihinal for 3. 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. 9 number 99 jumper. Abdullah, 2-pointers. 4 puntos ang abante ng Kasikan laban sa team ng Chandler. This is the third period ng ating basketball action. Last na final free throw by Justin and John. Good for inside pass. Huli ng mga taga team ng Kasikan yung bola. Na libre. Good for 2 points. Number 7 Pabugnaw. Una itong Justin and John, number 15, the team captain. A minute and 38 seconds to go. Doroteo up to win the paborito ng batang Doroteo. From Junior RJ Armini. First free throw, good for 1. Chandler. 50.6 active six to the cup. Magandang pagkakakat. Good for 2 points. Camarisho. Ng Kasikaan laban po sa team ng Chandler. Extra pass. Put back. Yes, sir. 2-pointer. Wala kay Ma'am Lalo Rain. Magandang naman. Thank you for watching. Last na pa ng free throw. Basketball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds to shoot. And outside Doroteo for 3. Sablay si Doroteo. May pag-reload. Galing! The post. Score po natin sa semifinals. Sino ba naman ang ayaw pumasok sa semifinals? Outside 3. Si Artist at Mala Bragais ditong nasa team ng Kasikaan. Ay na minuto at 4. Good for 2 points by Lakaran. Yan ang Pabugnaw, huli. 6-7 move. Pabugnaw, taking a jumper. Para sa ating 40 na final quarter. And this time, Lakaran in your face. Jumper. 2 points then. Adagdag ng puntos na paglaman. Pabugnaw, number 7. First free throw, good for 1. Last na para free throw, good for 2 points. Defense. Offense. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Traveling violation against Cardinal wearing jersey number 99. I-shoutout ko namin kay Maring April Joyce Gamala. Maganda yun. Wala po kay Ma'am Sarah. Here we have only 4 minutes and 23 seconds to go ng ating 40 na final quarter. Napakasulit at napakasayang bakbakan. Dito lamang po yung natutungayan sa Barangay Bakungan ngayong gabi. Ito po ay napaka-crucial na bakbakan for quarter finals. Double dribble. Walang naging reklamo dahil kitang-kita ng ating referee veterano. Isa rin sa mga veterano nating single dad na referee. 4 minutes and 14 seconds to go. 4 minuto at 14 segundo, 48 against 51. Lamang na lamang pa rin po ang Kasikan by only 3 points laban sa team ng Chandler. Lakaran numero 29, 1-on-1 against Makati, 13 seconds to shoot. Hindi siya tinatantanan itong Makati, bibigyan ng pick ng Cardinal, nakalusot itong Lakaran. Drives! Magandang pagkaka-execute for the last in the final quarter. Lakaran jump! Bang! Look again. Last 2 minutes! 52-51, itong nasa team ng mga taga-YT. And a jumper for 2 on the post jumper, no! 1 minute and 46. Lose 15 seconds to shoot, 1 minute and 46 seconds to go. Inside jumper, Lakaran, 2-pointer! Pause. as we continue for this last and final quarter. 1 minute and 35, 15 seconds to shoot. Medyo advance yung pagkakapasa na itong pabugnaw patungo sa kagad ng teammate na si Martinez. And the man of the moment, yung batang nagdala for the third period. Lakaran! Pumukol na bitin ng lakaran. 1 minute and 20 seconds to go for the final quarter. Martinez, binigay kay Prihinal. Ang Bragais makasigan. Hindi nakakalusot sa defender itong team ng Chandler. 1 minute and 9 seconds to go. May cross-court pass, Justin nandyan, hindi pa tapos. Nakatatlong puntos lamang po yung abate ng Chandler. Zigzag itong Justin nandyan. 1 minute go! 55 seconds remaining. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Last 52 seconds tayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 48. Points! Quatro tablahan tayo. We are now all at 54 points. Dead na 54 points. Sa segundo na tito ng oras, score po natin all at 54 points. Deadlock 54, pull up, bang! Lockout, Buckers! 56, 33 segundo, 33.9 seconds remaining time. May chance pa mga kaibigan, 56, 54, 28 seconds remaining. 25 seconds to go. Nasa 15 segundo na tito ng oras, 22 seconds remaining, 10 seconds to shoot. Jumper for 2, begin, 17 seconds remaining time, last 15. Meron na lamang tayong 12 segundo na tito ng oras. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, only 2.1 seconds remaining. Last 2 seconds to go. Walang papasok, baka ma-technical pa kayo dyan. Baka ma-technical pa yung Chandler, walang papasok. 2.1 seconds remaining, foul against number 15. Go. And that's the final buzzer. The game is over. 56-54, won by your team, Chandler! Congratulations! At maraming salamat po sa kasigaan sa inyo pong napakagandang labang binigay para po